morning everyone. Today's our topic is pronoun. So basically what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun or noun phrase. Pronoun refers to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. For example, peacock is our national bird and it is very beautiful. So what is it here? It is a pronoun because it is used instead of what? Peacock. So it is a pronoun. Now there are many types of pronoun. Today we will learn about specific pronouns, which are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, indefinite and demonstrative pronoun. First one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is a pronoun that we use to refer to people, animal or something. The pronouns examples can be I, you, she, he, it, they. So here specifically person or animal is pointed. So it is a personal pronoun. Second one is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that expresses possession, ownership and relationship. For example, mine, yours, his, her, ours or theirs. For example, these books are mine. So here mine is what? Mine is showing a possession or a ownership of books. So it is possessive pronoun. Now reflective pronoun. What is reflective pronoun? It connects dependent clause to independent clause. And the example can be who, whom, which, what, that. For example, she does not want to eat a meal that is too spicy. Here she does not want to eat a meal. Here it is a independent clause and is too spicy is a dependent clause. So here that is joining independent clause to independent clause. Dependent clause, she does not want to eat a meal that is too spicy, that is joining independent to dependent. Now fourth one is reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? It is a pronoun used as an objective of verb that refers to same person or thing as the subject of the verb. For example, myself, yourself, itself, herself, himself. For example, I like to cheer myself up with dessert. So here myself is used as a pronoun, as a reflexive pronoun. Now the fifth one is indefinite pronoun. Here a pronoun that does not specifically identify who or what is to be referring to. For example, somebody, anybody, like somebody is on the door. Here not a specific person or not a specific thing is pointed that who is on the road. Somebody is on the door. So somebody is a pronoun here. Now the sixth one is demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? It is used to point to specific thing. For example, this, that, these, those. This book is mine. Those oranges are mine. So here this and those is used for specific pointing out what? Orange. So here demonstrative pronoun is what? This and that. So today we have learnt about pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun, and we have seen that pronoun are of many types, but we have seen 6 types of pronoun today. First one is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, indefinite pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. So that's all about pronoun. I hope you have learned something about pronoun. Thanks for watching.